Pontiac original frame, but he changed the rear end in it, and we also cut the front clip on it. And as y'all guys, when I took you guys to the salvage yard, we cut that, got the front clip off the S10 frame, and he's welding it up. He pretty much got it tack welded in, but he's outside now and he can't really see his wheel because that auto darkening helmet, it tends to have that glare in it from the sun. So I brought me a couple of helmets, see if he can use them. I'll show it to you guys. I got the old school helmet there. It's not an auto darkening. And then I got mine, which is the same one that I think he has. So we're gonna go over here and see if we can't help old buddy out in the pinch and stuff, and hopefully it'll work for him. And who knows, maybe I'll go ahead and get on that frame and help him out for a little bit. Like I said, I'm just going to get some paint and stuff like that, so just want to give you guys a quick update of what's going on. You guys know when I'm off, I try to get as much done in the day as I can, and I take you guys along with me. Hey, if I didn't tell you guys, and this is where we do it yourself and have fun doing it. So stick along with me today, guys, and I'll turn you guys back on in about 1 second. Hey, you know I always get some good.
I can't understand. What the hell? He is wrong with this man.
I gotta get footage anytime I can. I like to. This is good footage here when you're doing physical labor. People like to see you mess up. They like to see you working.
He's in people.
That sun is beaming, ain't it?
Hot, dude.
Oh, count you full of it.
I had that big cigar store. I'd probably have that knife welder helmet.
I probably need this on.
If it's a strong call, heavy metal, I can get it.
Well, how that look? I mean, that's on E. Is that good or is that burning through?
No, it's not burning. That's the problem with that no gas stuff. It looks terrible. But as long as you get it
Oh,
hot.
it's good nice. It has a much better weld to me.
All right, well, you weld on what you feel comfortable.
Because I can make you can see that puddle.
You weld on what you feel comfortable.
I need to get something for my knees.
Well, yeah, I'll pay you that big money. Maybe make me happy.
Because that's that deep. It's getting something.
There you go, that's what we're looking for.
That's what you're thinking. You think I'm crazy?
You are crazy. You're thinking to it.
Now, if you got that little piece,
Yeah, it's laying right here. Don't fit it exactly.
No, that's fine.
See if that after it works.
You hit your head.
Yeah, I hit my head all the damn time. That's my buddy. He comes around and sees me. He likes to see what I'm into. That's gonna work out good, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Once it gets all done, painted, back together, you never know they're done.
Oh, hell no. You look good. You do good work, brother.
There you go. I'll have to hold it back till you finish. I'll hold it back till you finish.
That's what I needed. Right there. That's what I needed. Right there.
Well, I appreciate that. That's what you call top-notch welding right there.
You got it done.
I don't have to jack it back up in the air. I can go ahead and just paint it and have it end up.
Yep.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm painting all over your work.
I know. I like to see that old stuff done. Those welds. Also, Kelsey got this old frame done. Let's take a look at it. He did a good job. I tell you, he had this. How many times you had this ring up out of here?
Just once. I put it in, I took it back in.
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't blame you. All right, he did a good. So that's that S10 front end. I tell you, man, that's that heavy. I love that black, that paint, that industrial paint and stuff. All right, crew. So hey, we just left Old Counts. As you guys saw, I just got through helping him with the frame, and that's what we do, man. He helps me out. If I ever need anything, and if he needs anything, I go over there and help him out. I know he don't really like to weld much or whatever, and he's been doing it for so long. So me, I don't mind the weld, because the more I weld, the better I get, and I love welding those frames and stuff too. So I'm just getting experience out of it, guys. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. This is gonna be a short video, just hanging out with Old Counts today with the old Pontiac frame. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. And if you like this video, hey guys, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and share and write some comments down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get all the updates, videos whenever I release them, guys. So hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.